Hello and welcome to the video. If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Clyde doesn't need to explain itself. It's a small village in central Alberta just east of the Pembina River Valley, where roads stretch through open fields and houses give each other room to breathe. It became a village in 1914, part of a wave of settlements when rail lines brought people with tools, cattle, and plans. Though Clyde wasn't a major rail hub, early lines connected it to the region, bringing mail, equipment, and the feeling that it belonged to something bigger, even if just barely. Like many prairie towns, its lifeblood was agriculture. Grain and livestock shaped its rhythm, and you can still see that legacy in the wide yards and old machinery resting at the edge of fields. Clyde once had two towering grain elevators near the tracks. They're gone now, part of a larger eraser across the prairies, but old concrete loading platform still remains, partly overgrown, still used now and then to haul supplies. It's the kind of landmark that only makes sense if you know the story. At the heart of the village is the Eleanor Hall School. Generations have passed through its doors with graduating classes so small, teachers often knew the whole family. The building's been expanded, but its modest frame still fits the scale of the place, steady, familiar, and active. Locals might mention the Clyde Stampede over coffee or during a quiet moment at the community hall. It's not an official rodeo, just a small horse show and gathering held when the weather cooperates. The name's informal, but the meaning runs deep. Families pitch in, neighbors show up, and the crowd isn't big, but it's tight-knit. Driving through Clyde, you might catch a whiff of wood smoke in the winter, or see a farm dog trailing a pickup down the shoulder in the summer. There's no rush. Clyde never grew into a city, and no one expects it to, but it stayed. Shaped by the land, held by the people, and quietly carrying a century's worth of work, and that's enough. So if you enjoyed this little journey, give that like button a tap. It's free and oddly satisfying. If you haven't subscribed yet, just know I share a new small town story every week, weather permitting of course. Feel free to pass this along to your aunt, your neighbor, or that one friend who still thinks Alberta ends at Calgary. They need this more than they know. And you'll find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, because apparently I'm not busy enough. But until next week, drive safe, wave at strangers, and take the scenic route.